Cruise vacations look like the perfect escape. Endless food, beautiful ocean views, exciting ports, and days filled with relaxation. But behind the luxury image, there are hidden costs, risky mistakes, and secrets most passengers only discover when it is already too late. Cruise lines will show you the dream, but they will not always warn you about the traps. From surprise charges to costly medical bills and mistakes that can leave you stranded in port, these are the things every traveler should know before stepping on board. Here are 20 cruise ship secrets they do not want you to know. Number 1. The all-inclusive lie. That all-inclusive cruise deal sounds amazing at first. Unlimited food, endless drinks, entertainment, and everything you need in one floating resort. But the truth is, many cruises are not as all-inclusive as they seem. The buffet and main dining room are usually included, but plenty of other things are not. Specialty restaurants, premium coffee, bottled water, fancy cocktails, fresh juice, and even some snacks can come with extra charges. Many passengers only realize this at the end of the trip, when the final bill appears on their account. A few drinks by the pool, one dinner at the steakhouse, and some bottled water in the cabin can quickly turn into hundreds of dollars. Before you board, check exactly what your package includes. Do not assume something is free just because it is available on the ship. And if you want more honest cruise tips that can save you money, make sure to subscribe. Also, do not forget to hit the bell so you do not miss the next travel warning. Number 2. The cabin safe is not as private as you think. Every cabin usually has a small safe, and most passengers treat it like a personal vault. They lock away passports, cash, jewelry, watches, and expensive electronics, then assume everything is completely protected. But here is the part many travelers never think about. Cruise staff can access cabin safes when needed, especially during emergencies, inspections, or when a guest forgets the code. That does not mean every crew member can open your safe, but it does mean it is not as private as people believe. If something valuable goes missing, proving what happened can be difficult. The safest choice is simple. Leave expensive jewelry at home, carry only what you need, and use the cabin safe for basic items, not irreplaceable valuables. Number 3. Missing the ship at port. One of the most expensive mistakes you can make on a cruise is returning to the port too late. Many passengers think the ship will wait for them, but in most cases, it will not. The confusing part is that ship time and local time are not always the same. Your phone may automatically switch to local time while the ship still follows a different schedule. That small mistake can ruin your entire trip. If the ship leaves without you, you are usually responsible for getting yourself to the next port. That means flights, hotels, taxis, meals, and a lot of stress. Always check the return time posted near the gangway before leaving the ship. Take a photo of it and set an alarm at least 30 minutes before final boarding. Number 4. The truth about recommended port shopping. Those shopping guides and recommended stores near the port may look helpful, but they are not always there to save you money. Cruise lines often work with certain shops, especially jewelry stores and souvenir stores, and those businesses may pay for access to cruise passengers. That means the store being recommended does not always mean it has the best price or the best quality. In some ports, prices near the ship can be much higher because sellers know passengers have limited time and may not compare prices. Be careful with huge discount signs, free gifts, and limited time offers. They are often designed to get you inside quickly. A better option is to walk a few streets away from the port area, compare prices, and spend more time enjoying the local culture. Number 5. The cabin upgrade lottery myth. Many passengers dream of getting a last-minute cabin upgrade for almost nothing. A bigger room, a balcony, or even a suite sounds like the perfect surprise before sailing. But the truth is, those miracle upgrades are rare. Cruise lines often send upgrade offers or bidding emails because they want passengers to spend more money before the trip even begins. Sometimes the upgraded cabin is not much better. It may be in a noisier location, farther from the elevators, or below a busy public deck. Do not count on luck to fix your cabin choice. If a balcony, quiet location, or extra space matters to you, book that category from the start. Number 6. The high cost of onboard medical care. The medical center on a cruise ship may look small and simple, but the bill can be anything but small. Many passengers assume a quick visit for seasickness, a cut, or a minor accident will be affordable. In reality, even basic treatment can cost far more than expected. A short consultation may already be expensive, and if you need medication, stitches, tests, or emergency care, the price can rise very quickly. Regular health insurance may also not cover treatment at sea, especially outside your home country. That is why travel medical insurance is so important. Make sure it covers cruises, medical care abroad, and emergency evacuation. Also bring basic medicine with you, including motion sickness tablets, pain relievers, and bandages. Number 7. Drink packages are not always worth it. That unlimited drink package can look like a smart deal, especially when you see cocktail prices on board. But before you buy it, do the math. On many cruises, you need several drinks every single day just to break even. And remember, port days count too. If you spend most of the day exploring on shore, you may not drink enough on the ship to make the package worth it. Some cruise lines also require every adult in the same cabin to buy the package, even if only one person actually drinks. That can make the total cost much higher than expected. For light or moderate drinkers, paying per drink is often cheaper. Look for daily specials, happy hours, or included basic drinks instead. Number 8. Room service may not be free. Breakfast in bed sounds like one of the best parts of a cruise, but on many ships, room service is no longer completely free. Some cruise lines now charge a delivery fee for every order, and certain menu items cost extra. That means a simple coffee, sandwich, or late-night snack can add more to your bill than you expected. The tricky part is that passengers often order several times during the trip without thinking about it. Small fees can turn into a surprising total by the final day. Check the room service menu before ordering. If there is a fee, combine items into one order, or use the buffet and included dining rooms instead. Number 9. Cruise ship art auctions can be risky. Those art auctions on board can feel exciting and classy. Free champagne, dramatic bidding, and promises of special deals make it easy to believe you are getting something valuable. But many passengers do not realize how emotional these auctions are designed to be. The atmosphere pushes people to buy quickly, before they have time to research the real value of the artwork. Some pieces may be advertised with impressive appraisals, but that does not always mean you could resell them for that price later. If you enjoy the event, go for the entertainment, but unless you truly understand the art market, keep your wallet in your cabin. Number 10. Motion sickness can ruin your trip. A cruise ship may feel like a floating hotel, but it is still moving through the ocean. Even large ships can rock, especially during rough weather, open sea crossings, or routes known for choppy water. The problem is that many first-time passengers do not prepare. They wait until they already feel sick, and by then, it can be much harder to enjoy the day. Bring motion sickness tablets, patches, ginger sweets, or acupressure bands before you board. If you are worried about movement, choose a cabin lower down and near the middle of the ship. And if you start feeling queasy, get fresh air, look at the horizon, and avoid heavy meals. If this video is helping you so far, please give it a like and subscribe to Cruise Adventure. That way, you will not miss more cruise tips that can help you travel smarter and avoid costly mistakes. It is truly appreciated. Number 11. Private islands are not always exclusive. When cruise lines talk about a private island, it sounds peaceful, luxurious, and reserved just for you. But the reality can feel very different. Thousands of passengers may arrive at the same beach at the same time, all looking for chairs, shade, food, and activities. The extras can also be expensive. Cabanas, snorkel gear, beach beds, drinks, and special experiences often cost much more than people expect. Some guests spend hundreds before they realize the basic beach day was not as included as it seemed. Bring simple beach items with you, walk farther from the main area, and visit early or late to avoid the biggest crowds. Number 12. Spa specials come with fine print. The spa on a cruise ship can feel like the perfect place to relax. You see a special offer in the daily newsletter, and suddenly that massage or facial looks like a great deal. But the advertised price is not always the final price. Gratuities, service fees, and extra charges can be added later. Some treatments also come with strong sales pressure afterward, where staff recommend expensive creams, oils, or detox products you may not actually need. Before booking, ask for the full price, including all fees. And if you want a better deal, wait until later in the cruise, when the spa may offer real discounts to fill empty appointments. Number 13. Formal nights are often more casual than expected. Cruise brochures often show elegant dinners with tuxedos, long gowns, and perfect photos. Because of that, many passengers pack way too much formal clothing. But on most modern cruise lines, formal night is not as strict as people imagine. You will usually see a mix of outfits, from dresses and suits to smart casual clothes. Unless you are sailing with a very traditional or luxury cruise line, you probably do not need a suitcase full of evening wear. Check the dress code before packing and save that space for things you will actually use. Number 14. Free cabin upgrades can happen. Paid upgrade bids are often not worth chasing, but free upgrades are not impossible. Sometimes cruise lines need to move passengers because of maintenance, group bookings, or last-minute cabin changes. If the ship is not full, a better room may be available. The trick is to ask politely, not demand. Visit guest services on embarkation day, once most people have checked in and room assignments are being finalized. A calm, friendly question can work better than complaining. Say something simple, like, "Are there any complimentary upgrades available today?" The answer may be no, but asking costs nothing. Number 15. Hidden free food venues are easy to miss. Most passengers head straight for the buffet or main dining room, but many ships have smaller free food spots that are easy to overlook. You might find a pizza counter, taco bar, noodle station, sandwich shop, or small cafe tucked away on another deck. Some of these places are less crowded and sometimes even better than the main options. The problem is, cruise lines do not always make them obvious, so passengers keep paying for snacks or specialty food they did not need. On your first day, explore the ship, read the daily schedule, and check every included dining option. Number 16. Shore excursions are often marked up. Cruise line shore excursions can feel like the safest choice. The ship promotes them, the meeting point is easy, and passengers are told they do not need to worry about getting back on time. But that convenience often comes with a big markup. In many ports, the same type of tour can cost much less when booked directly with a trusted local operator. A snorkeling trip, city tour, or beach transfer may be almost identical, but the cruise version can be far more expensive. The fear of missing the ship is what makes many passengers overpay. Before your trip, research local companies with strong reviews and clear return guarantees. You can often save money and still get back safely. Number 17. Cabin location can make or break your sleep. A cheap cabin can look like a great deal until you discover what is above, below, or beside it. Some rooms are right under the pool deck, near elevators, close to nightclubs, or next to busy crew areas. That can mean footsteps, music, carts, doors, and voices at all hours. Other cabins can have problems with vibration. Rooms near anchors, engines, or thrusters may be noisy when the ship arrives in port early in the morning. Before booking, study the deck plan carefully. Try to choose a cabin between other passenger cabins, not directly under public spaces. Midship rooms on middle decks are usually quieter and more stable. Number 18. Wi-Fi costs can add up fast. Cruise ship internet is one of those costs passengers often forget about until they are already on board. The package may sound simple, but it can be slow, limited, and surprisingly expensive. On many ships, you pay by the day, by the device, or by the speed level. That means checking social media, sending photos, or making one video call can cost more than expected. Streaming can be especially risky if your plan has limits. A smarter move is to download maps, shows, music, and travel documents before you sail. Use airplane mode at sea and look for free internet in cafes or restaurants when you are in port. Number 19. Skipping travel insurance is a big risk. Travel insurance may feel like an unnecessary extra when everything is already expensive. But on a cruise, one unexpected problem can cost far more than the insurance itself. A canceled flight, Missed connection, illness, injury, lost luggage, or emergency at sea can quickly turn into a serious financial problem. Cruise lines often have strict cancellation rules, especially close to the sailing date. Once that deadline passes, getting your money back can be very difficult. Medical emergencies are an even bigger risk. Treatment abroad can be expensive, and emergency evacuation from a ship or foreign port can cost a shocking amount. Choose third-party travel insurance that covers cruises, medical care, delays, cancellations, and emergency evacuation. Number 20. Cruise line airport transfers may be overpriced. After the cruise, many passengers choose the airport transfer offered by the cruise line because it feels easy and safe. But that convenience can come at a much higher price than necessary. In many ports, a regular taxi, shuttle, or rideshare can be much cheaper, especially if you are traveling with family or friends. The cruise line may charge per person, while a taxi usually charges for the whole car. The reason people overpay is simple. They are tired, stressed, and worried about missing their flight. Plan your transportation before disembarkation day and compare your options before booking the cruise transfer. Cruises can still be amazing vacations. You can enjoy beautiful destinations, great food, relaxing days at sea, and unforgettable memories. But the key is knowing what is really included, what costs extra, and where passengers often make expensive mistakes. Before you book or board your next cruise, check the fine print, compare your options, choose your cabin carefully, and never assume something is free just because it is offered on the ship. A little preparation can save you hundreds, maybe even thousands, and help you enjoy the trip without stress. If these cruise tips helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and come back for more smart travel advice. Thanks for watching, and until next time, cruise smart, stay safe, and enjoy smooth sailing.